All, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari, and this video I have made specifically to announce that I am holding a live session on YouTube on my channel Pamita AI World 18. This channel, fine. So this information is for all the English medium students, and I am holding a meeting, not meeting, a live session actually on 6th of October. I have already announced this information to Hindi medium students, so it would be combined live session for Hindi medium and English medium students on 6th of October on the Indian Standard Time. Fine, 6th October around 6 to 8 a.m. in the morning I will hold a live session on YouTube. So all the students who are learning through my videos, YouTube videos, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence freely, they can come on from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning to join the session, so that if they have any query or if they have any doubt regarding the courses or regarding the subjects on live session, they can directly interact with me, and I will give the answer to all the questions regarding the courses or doubt if you have any. Fine. So this live session would be held on 6th of October from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning, and in the evening it would be held on from 4 p.m. to 6 a.m. according to Indian Standard Time. So from wherever you are watching this video, just calculate that time according to your area of region. So wherever you live, in India or abroad, fine. So it's regarding the data science course, or if you have any doubt or query, if you have any feedback regarding like how I teach, how I should teach, and what are the difficulties you are facing when I teach you about the topics or statistic, to Hindi medium students I am teaching right now statistic, to English medium students I am teaching right now just the outline or basics of roughly idea of machine learning. So now onwards, this video I made just to tell you about this information. And of course, to the English medium students, today I'll teach you the next part of life cycle of machine learning. I'll teach you the detailed part of that. So please stay tuned to my all the videos, and this information I have to tell you just for live session only. Fine. So please come on 6th of October early in the morning on live session. Fine. So timing I have told you about in this video only, at what time I will come. So it's my humble request, who are seriously and sincerely studying or wanted to study or wants to study, they can join that session. Thanks a lot. Namaste.